Hey everybody, I'm Adam. This is Shawn from Smoke Wrench Garage.
How you doing, everybody?
Hey, we're gonna have an adventure today out in the rural area, out in sticks. We gotta figure out how to take this stilted lady out to the cornfield. Because it's not a traditional situation. You don't have a front suspension or rear or nothing like that, and it's setting up so high since we had to
got the lift kit on it.
Yeah, the lift kit. So I think I got an idea how we can do it, but it's a little unusual since all the weight's up high, and we're going to try to get that out. And if anything, maybe we'll get the satellite out too. So what we're going to do, you got to watch the first half of this video right here in the Hoosier Garage, and the second half we want you to go over and see Shawn in Smoke Wrench Garage. He's been in this about a year now.
Yep.
And yeah, he's into the race and fab. And what else are we doing over there?
Well, right now adding four-wheel drive to the bunch. So
yep. Yeah, so he's got kind of an array of stuff.
Mostly drag racing stuff.
Yeah, yeah. So that's kind of his version of the van. That's like the little offbeat thing.
Yep.
And that's cool. So we want you to check that out. So stay tuned, and we'll see what kind of damage we can, carnage, whatever, something like that. We'll
get something done.
Yeah. That probably worked. We'll go ahead and roll this in the garage. Okay. Pull this out here. Probably a good thing it's low like that.
We'll get up there close. Rolls easy enough, ain't it?
Yeah. sweet spot, that's for sure.
Yeah, I wonder if we can just...
Now is a great time to like and subscribe.
Alright, can you hold it there?
I can hold it right here, yep.
Get it tight and I'll put it. Got one of our wheels on the track back.
Well, that's tall, ain't it?
And now, a classic Indiana car commercial.
The car won't start.
Before winter trouble strikes, give your gas an STP tune-up. Used regularly, STP gas treatment helps break up and remove water to prevent gas line freeze-ups.
STP is the racer's edge.
So we're out at the new place. Shawn's backing her in, and look how ridiculous this looks, but it's worked. Nice little trip out here. It stayed solid. He did cross up the straps here and then put another kind of security strap on the back. It's pretty tight. It was kind of wiggling around pretty good, but when you wiggle it now, it takes the whole trailer with it, so that's good. See what it looks like up here. And hopefully we can get this thing in the new garage, as easy as we got it out of the old one. So stay tuned.
Move this ramp real quick. I worked over there for. I'm gonna let a little slack out, and then that way I can help you kind of guide it. Ready? Good. Yep. I have to abandon you from this point.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Get it. Did it, man.
You got it.
All right, so as you can see, we have the duster in here. It's safe. That's a success. That's the hardest part, but it didn't seem that bad because we got somebody knows what they're doing, helping us out. Let's get back with Shawn here for a second. Shawn, what do you think of this? What kind of a job was this? Was this a weird job, or was it? Well, you made it look pretty easy.
I faked my way through that one then.
All right, we like it.
Fake it till you make it.
Fake it till you make it. Yep.
Yeah, that was. I've never hauled a car on stilts before, so.
Yeah. But it stayed solid going down
I'm
the road.
glad though. It was if I tear up my own stuff, it doesn't bother me. It's my fault, but I don't want to tear nobody else's stuff up.
Right. And that's why I've always been scared of trailers and stuff, because I feel like that I will hurt somebody else with my empty-headedness.
Well, I've luckily on trailers, I've always been pretty lucky. I've lost more hay bales off the bed of that truck than I have. I've never really had any problem with the trailers other than
More to
busting tires.
Yeah.
That's been my thing.
Yep. I've seen that enough. So. All right. So what we're gonna do? We might go back and get the satellite.
Yeah,
get
might
it
as
out
well.
here.
Let's do it.
We might stick it in there, and then it'll be our project room until we get at least the garage door fixed. Only the one works. So.
You got plenty of room out here now.
Yeah, I got a place over there. Of course, it leaks, so I like to have it inside so it don't ruin anything, like all the engine parts in it. But we can put it here, back in the lean-to. That door opens up pretty good here on the side, so we might just put it in there. So stay tuned. And I don't know, maybe here or maybe there we'll jump to his channel, but let's just leave it up in the open. All right, so project 2 is getting the satellite on the trailer, and when I put it in here originally, I kind of took the jack and worked it over, and so it's a little squeeze in here. We might have moved over with the jack, drug it back out, and he's going to try to jackknife it a little bit and see what we can do. But first, I'm going to have you go from here over to Shawn's channel, Smoke Ridge Garage. Give him a like and a subscribe, give him a comment, and then you'll see how the satellite ends up out at the new place with the duster, and we'll we'll be doing great then. So thanks for coming to Hoosier Garage. Make sure you check out Shawn's page.